Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2016 Ford F-150 Platinum with the 700A package. Now the exterior colors are shadow black, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to an automatic transmission. Now at the front, we have our LED high-end low-beam headlamps, as well as a pair of LED daytime running lights and 2 fog lamps with an engine block heater and 2 tow hooks. Over at the side, we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our all-terrain tires, as well as we have our retractable running boards with our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear, as well as we have a dual-panel moonroof on top. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as our trailer hitch. We also have a spare fifth wheel and a reverse sensors paired to our backup camera, as well as our LED taillights. We have a tailgate step inside our tailgate, and inside the box, we have our LED lighting with our tie-down points and a spray and bed liner. And at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as ambient lighting, power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as power windows and power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as we also have our blind spot information system. And over our steering column, we have our LED lighting for under our mirrors, as well as our automatic headlamp dial and our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings, and our hands-free and entertainment and volume controls on the right. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming review mirror with our cabin lights and our 3 garage door opener points, as well as our beautiful moonroof and then more cabin lights in the rear. And as we look at our platinum interior, we have our stamped seats, as well as we have our leather, which comes with our fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. As we look ahead, you'll notice we have 79,868 kilometers. And as we look at our display screen, we have our Sync 3, which has an 8-inch touchscreen, which has our audio control, climate control including a heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as phone connectivity and hands-free voice activation, navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as we have our 360-degree camera, which has our front-facing camera, which will display on our screen, and our reverse camera. And underneath we have our controls for our sync, and just below that we have our dual climate control area, which includes our air conditioned and heated seats for both driver and passenger. We also have dual smart charging USB ports with a 12-volt adapter, as well as we have our console shift, as well as our lane departure warning, and our dual cup holders, and our center console with tons of storage underneath, and 2 more cup holders in the rear. At the rear, passengers can enjoy tons of door storage, as well as ambient lighting and power windows, as well as more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have our AC outlet and dual heated seats, as well as a ventilation system and a 12-volt adapter. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we have tons of legroom and lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Platinum, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.